we're here to talk about merging data, the acquisition of Qualtrics by SAP SE. Qualtrics was a family-owned company out of Provo, Utah. The CEO is Ryan Smith, and Jared Smith, his brother, is the president, and his father, Scott Smith, is the brains behind their big idea. Qualtrics was begun by Ryan and Jared Smith in their parents' basement. As I said, it was based in Provo, Utah, and it's since become a powerhouse of a company with over 40% growth for the first 9 months of this year. The market that they do is a little niche market of academic research. That's how they started. And then they moved into the science of experiential data. The goal was to use surveys and feedback and polls to gather data and allow companies to analyze customers and employees. Start small and stay compact, investing their money back into the company, using profits to acquire other companies that kind of fit their needs. This was all done without any venture capital of any kind for the first 10 years of their existence. This year, they decided if they were going to go as an IPO or not. They filed for an IPO in October of this year, and they were valued at almost $6 billion. So they were only looking to raise about $500 million. And right before their IPO was to become on the market, SAP offered just shy of $8 billion for the company on November 11th of this year. Now, SAP, which stands for Systems, Acquisitions, and Products, is a German-based company, and they specialize in tracking business and company interactions. They have 88,000 employees in over 180 countries. It was founded in 1972 by 5 engineers from the German-based IBM AI department. They were working on software based on SAP and were told it was no longer needed. So they took this software, which they bought for about $80,000, and turned it into this multi-billion-dollar corporation. Today they are one of the leading information companies in the world, and after acquiring about 70 different firms from the early 1990s, SAP touches over 77% of the world's transactions. So the merger, they offered $8 billion for Qualtrics before the IPO. Now, Qualtrics brings their experiential data, and SAP combines with their operational data, and this allows businesses to be more proactive in combating any issues that arise. This is Bill McDermott. He is the CEO of SAP, and he says experience data plus operation data are a powerful combination. This is the most pristine asset in the business software industry. Thank you for your time, and are there any questions?